welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Pusheen unboxing. This right here is the fall box. So this is a seasonal subscription service. I paid for it with my own money and I've been doing it since they first launched a couple years ago. So I will have the playlist in the cards as well as down below. This theme right here looks really interesting. It's something I've never seen them do before. It's kind of like an astrology star type of collection. So we're just going to go through every item and talk about pros and cons. Looks like it did come a little bit beat up from the transit, I guess. It shows us a sneak peek of all the items, so we're just gonna look at it right here. It's a little bit shiny, so it kind of reflects a little. Here's the art theme of the whole box. I'm gonna start off in no particular order. The first item here is the star projector lamp. So it projects stars onto your ceiling, I guess, and it does take 3 AA batteries, which are not included. So I did go ahead and put them in. I don't think they're very strong. It's a cute concept. I just don't know if it's gonna function as well as I want it to. It's really bright outside, so right now I can't really tell if it's a cute enough effect on your ceiling or on your walls. So once it's nighttime, I will let you guys know in the description box how it performed. But as of right now, when I turned it on in like my dim living room, it was very faint, like the light. Either way though, I like that they were thinking out of the box and it's an item we haven't had before. Their next item is their pop vinyl. Every box comes with an exclusive vinyl toy, figure, whatever. So this one here is really beautiful. It is Pusheen laying down on a crescent moon on a blue like platform. Absolutely stunning. I'm probably gonna keep it in the box after I take these photos because I just have a feeling I'm gonna ruin it. I've dropped a couple of the ones in the past. Some of them have broken and I just have like pieces just lying everywhere. So I'm gonna have to see if I can fix those. So I don't want that to happen here because I'm a clumsy person. So I'm gonna put it right back in the box after you see these photos. The next item is an alarm clock. It says here this Zodiac Pusheen alarm clock will remind you to check your horoscope. It has nice attention to detail. It's a very simple blue clock, but I love the art style of all the zodiac signs. I think it's really beautiful. I have seen those zodiac signs as pins, which is also really cool. So that's kind of what it reminds me of. I myself am a Virgo. So I'm trying to find myself here. Oh yes, I see myself. I'm right there. Super cute, super adorable. This also requires a AA battery, which I don't have currently, but it's very cute and hopefully a functional item. Moving right along to another functional item. These are coasters. This is a 4-piece coaster set. This features 4 different designs. You have Pusheen and a star, and it says stellar. Then you have Pusheen with some stars, and it says stardust. Then you have an out of this world coaster and the crescent moon Pusheen. These are gorgeous and they feel pretty good. I'm gonna save these again in the box until me and my fiance move out together, just so that I can have cute things to have on display, because I have a strong feeling we're not gonna have that much money for furniture. So yeah, I'm excited for these items. I'm just probably not gonna put them out right away. The next 2 items are also functional, which I do like. They're not just decorative pieces. These are pillowcases, and they're also the same star out of this world design. Really soft, really cute. I like it. I can't wait to put them on. I wish there was like a matching blanket or like bed sheet set that I can buy because these are absolutely adorable. And then going right along with that theme is a sleep mask. It says stellar on it. Really cute. It's a nice size, so I feel like even if you have a bigger head, it'll fit. I have a bigger head. So these are nice. I'm happy about it. We're down to the last 3 items. This is an apparel piece. It says cosmic on it. It's a very beautiful blue, matches with everything else in this box. It does have like that soft velvety material, but I checked the tag and it is 100% polyester. It is in a size small. You choose your size when you're doing this subscription service. When I renewed my Pusheen subscription a while ago, I did lower in size because originally I was a medium, or I was labeled as a medium, but I find that it runs really big, so I chose a small. It's just something to keep in mind when you are choosing your size for apparel. The next item is another cute functional item, and this is a Trinket Jar. So it features Pusheen again with the blue and then a yellow top. I think it's adorable. I don't know what I would keep in this, but it's gonna look really good on like a shelf or on a tabletop. Last but not least, we have hanging wall art. So you basically punch out all of these golden stars and Pusheens and you can hang them on this little stick with the ribbon and stuff. They do have instructions. You like remove sticks, string, and punch out art from packaging. Then you carefully punch out each shape from the sheet. You thread the pre-cut string through a punched out hole and you tie a knot, and then you thread the opposite through the stick. You tie it to fasten it, and then you just continue with all the shapes until you're ready to hang it up. Probably not gonna do this anytime soon, but it is a cute item. It's like a kind of arts and crafts type of thing. That is everything in this box. Overall, I am very happy. I think it's something very different than what we've seen, especially during the fall season. And I will link all the previous ones in the description box because sometimes I do like to compare and contrast what the previous years have looked like. And I'm really happy. I think astrology is a cute and a very popular theme going on right now. So, and I think we also got a good amount of larger items. So not every box comes with big items. Usually the size of the box is a lot smaller. I noticed this one was a little bigger just because it had to accommodate for some of like the trinkets, the sweater, and the bigger pop vinyl. So let me know what you think down below. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. You have no idea how much your comments, your likes, and your views on my videos have meant to me, and they don't go unnoticed. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll follow you back if you would like me to. And yeah, I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.